Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn about 3 new facts about maths that you should learn about. So let's get started right over here. So as we know that we already know multiplication, like addition, minus, subtraction. What is also the meaning almost? So we are gonna learn about more of them. And so many others like counting too. We're gonna learn about this. So, do you know what this symbol is called? This is a dividation symbol. A dividation symbol. Also, it's actually kinda. So over here, I cannot hold cloud properly. See, let's learn about division today. Division is the repeated thing of multiplication. Okay, so division means this is the thing. See, just like multiplication, like 6 times 4 adds to make 24. Now, this can go to the opposite. 4, 6 are 24. This is the opposite, just like that. And now, if you want to multiply, this will hold the same, but if it comes like this. This is the meaning easily, because that will be what? How many 6 will come? 4. Because just like in subtraction, the same thing is also happen in division. Okay, now let's keep continuing on division's facts. So one by one, we'll learn every single clip. Now I'll ask you some questions. I'll send you in my comment section below by myself after finishing this video. So let's learn something. So how do we multiply 30 by what is this? And that's 10. That'll come 3. See, just like we do in multiplication, the same thing is in division. Division is also the thing of multiplication. Just like if we want to add this super solving problem. If we don't know the answer, because 64, just like we know all the tables 1 to 10, the division tells us the same thing about multiplication. See, you'll be wondering, look, 8 8s are 64. So 64, today we will win 8. That's what the answer is. But some people are very frightened with division and maths. What's the meaning of the maths, bro? Excuse me, no one is afraid of maths. So I'll send you some questions on my comment section below and answer them so I can see how much do you learn, how much you're faster than me, how much slower are you than me. Answer them and don't say anything fun things. Now the next thing of ours is fractions. Fractions actually are the same. See, fractions are also a part, but let me tell you what is the example. See, fraction is a thing that is dividing a piece into more. Just like if I had a pizza. Just like if I had a pizza and there were about how many pieces? 6. There were 6 pieces, and there were 6 pieces, 6 people too. So that means that how much are there? There are about 6 pieces. Fraction divides the things. 6 pieces for 6 people. Divides to everyone. Just like that. And now, fractions is also for multi. Now I'll ask you some questions over here. And okay. Just like we know. Okay, so if this is the numerator, I'll tell you about fractions. Fractions are also there. Numerator on the above thing is called the numerator. At last, the denominator stays in the same position. Just like if I add about 6 pieces into 3. And now, if you want to plus this to add what it will be the answer. It's so easy. Just like you have to add these both numbers. So that will be 5. And you'll have a cross over here. The denominator will say the same. That means 5 upon 6 is the answer. Fractions are easy about these, but sometimes it's kind of hard to remember. This is the multiple. This is now a minus 6-ish. Okay, now I'll just rearrange all of this. And now, okay. So let's answer more questions. Okay. Now, we only have this. So we have learned these 3 things. Now what else is there? Of course, time. Now this fraction is done. Time is divided in 2. Time. Time is a thing that actually is time too, and the whole word. Time cannot be repeated again and again and again, because only one type of time can come, and only that time. There are about 12 numberings. So if we just have to and here will be the numberings. 12 o'clock. But 12 also can by many numbers. Well, the next number of that will be small. See, before that, now time is kind of easy to remember. Now the next timer of that is that. Let's make a circle for the TikTok timer. Okay, that should do a trick. Now we'll just add these dots. Okay, I'll just add number rings, I guess. That's how I done. Now what we'll have to do, see, you must be plastering this. So, what do you think? What can be the answer? I got it wrong. So, what is it? Sorry about that. So, what is the answer? See, half past. This half past is all meaning about that. Just like if it's 6 o'clock and half past it, something is a mistake. Okay. Okay. So guys, if you know about time, great thing about your time thing, because this is gonna take a little while. So how's it today? So time meanings also compress 5:30. But just as 5:30 was a start, just like if you go to 5, if you go to 5, sorry about that. 5 needs to be. If the 5 is also there, then the half past of here, 6 means 30. See, each number has its own 5, and 5 multiplied by 12 is 60. Of course, that's how it works. If any of actually a smaller clock goes to any number and 6 goes to over here, that means the number, I'll just like the number, the 30 will come. And if the 12 is on any number, 12 only the biggest number, so that means it's 12 o'clock or any number you want. This is all for today, guys. See you in more channels for some more and maths and some more education lines. I hope you enjoy and learn some new educations. Bye for now, guys.